Welcome to the English Practice Lab. Hi, everyone. I'm Luke.
And I'm Blair. This is the place where you can learn and practice English in a simple, easy way. We focus on real-life situations so you can speak with confidence.
Exactly. And today's episode is all about ordering coffee like a local in English.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Many people travel or live in places where they need to order coffee in English.
Yes, and sometimes it feels scary. Maybe you don't know what to say or you're afraid you won't understand the barista.
But don't worry. Today, we'll show you easy words and sentences that real people use in American coffee shops.
Plus, we'll practice some short dialogues together. By the end, you'll sound more natural when you order your coffee.
Great! And before we start, tell us in the comments, do you like coffee or tea? Part 1. Walking into a coffee shop. Okay, let's imagine we walk into a coffee shop. What's the first thing we hear?
Usually, the barista says, "Hi, how are you today?" Or, "Good morning. What can I get for you?"
Right, and you can answer simply. For example,
"Hi, I'm good, thanks." "Good morning, I'd like a coffee, please."
that's perfect. Let's repeat slowly for our listeners.
"I'd like a coffee, please." Your turn, everyone listening. Say it out loud. "I'd like a coffee, please."
Part 2. Choosing your coffee.
Now, in the US now, there are many kinds of coffee. For example, black coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso.
And you can ask like this: Can I have a latte? Or, I'd like an espresso. Let's do a short dialogue. Hi, what can I get for you?
"Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?"
Sure, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
"Medium, please."
Great. Anything else?
"No, that's it, thank you."
Part 3. Useful phrases. Listeners, let's practice some useful phrases. What can I get for you? Can I have a latte, please? Medium, please. No, that's it. Thank you. Say them with us slowly. Part 4. Adding extras.
Sometimes you want extras like milk or sugar. You can say, "Can I have extra milk?" "No sugar, please." "With almond milk, please." Let's make another dialogue. "Hi, what would you like today?"
Hi, I'd like a large black coffee with sugar, please.
"Sure. Do you want milk with that?"
No milk, thanks. Part 5. Paying for your coffee. After you order, the barista will say something like, "That will be $3." And you can answer, "Here you go," when you give the money. Can I pay by card? If you want to pay with a card. Let's try it.
That will be $3.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Here's your coffee.
Thanks so much. Part 6. Practice time.
Now, let's practice together. Imagine you're in line at a coffee shop. The barista says, "What can I get for you?" What do you say?
Maybe you said, "I'd like a latte, please." Perfect. And if they ask, "What size?" you say,
Small, medium, or large? Easy.
"Hey, are you enjoying this episode so far? If you are, click like and follow our channel. It helps us make more lessons like this. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite coffee? Latte? Cappuccino? Espresso?
If you want to sound like a local, try saying,
Can I get a... instead of, can I have a... Example, can I get a medium latte?
that's very common in the US. People say get a lot. Let's repeat, "Can I get a medium latte?" Okay, let's review the most common phrases slowly. "I'd like a coffee, please."
Can I get a latte?
"Medium, please."
With sugar.
"Can I pay by card?"
Thanks so much.
Repeat them after us.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to order coffee like a local in English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the English Practice Lab for more simple, fun English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, next time you go to a coffee shop, what will you order in English?
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.